Good day, sir. This study is entitled Performance Optimization of Positive Displacement Pumps for Viscous Fluid Application. This presentation explores how positive displacement or PD pumps can be optimized to perform efficiently when handling viscous and non-Newtonian fluids. So for our short introduction, positive displacement pumps are vital in fluid handling systems. They operate based on a fixed volume displacement principle, meaning they enclose a specific volume of fluid and move it mechanically through the system. Because of this design, their output flow is directly proportional to the pump's speed, and they maintain consistent flow even under varying pressure conditions. These pumps are known for their precision, power, and ability to handle viscous fluids. They're commonly used in oil and gas extraction, chemical processing, food and beverage production, and pharmaceutical manufacturing, where accurate and hygienic fluid transfer is very vital. We have here the recent studies that have significantly advanced the understanding of PD pump performance. Number one, the CFD's role in predicting pump behavior. The CFD has been used to accurately simulate fluid flow and pressure distribution inside the pump systems. Another study is the CFD to FEM coupling for thermomechanical analysis. This study integrates the CFD and FEM simulations that enable comprehensive analysis of thermal and mechanical stresses. Another study is about the advanced coatings for wear reduction. In this study, we have found that innovative surface coatings significantly extend the operational lifespan and durability of pump components. Another study is about the machine learning enhanced CFD for optimization. This tells that machine learning algorithms are deployed to accelerate and refine CFD based pump performance optimization. Another one is the system level energy optimization and the TEG integration. So when we integrate thermoelectric generators, which is the TEG, it improves the overall pump system energy efficiency through waste heat recovery. So together, these findings form a strong foundation for optimizing PD pumps. The next slide is about the performance challenges in viscous fluid pumping. So, despite their advantages, PD pumps face major challenges when handling high viscosity or non Newtonian fluids. So, number one, high viscosity impact, which namely is the increased shear stress, higher torque demand, and elevated operating temperatures. Another one is the non Newtonian fluid rheology. So, non-Newtonian fluids also exhibit variable viscosity, which can cause unpredictable flow and reduce accuracy. Next are the cavitation risk, or the formation of collapse or of vapor bubbles that can damage internal components. Next is the next is the pulsation and vibration that leads to measurement inaccuracies and system fatigue. Overall, these issues result in reduced efficiency and reliability, making optimization essential to maintain a stable operation. So the next slide is about the advanced optimization techniques. To address the challenges that I have mentioned, several advanced optimization strategies are applied. First is the computational fluid dynamics, the CFD, which helps visualize and simulate fluid flow, heat transfer, and pressure distribution to refine your pump design. Next is the material and surface engineering. This improves wear resistance, corrosion protection, and overall the durability of your design. Next is the variable inducers or the VGIs. These are effective for suppressing cavitation and maintains efficiency across flow rates. This also reduces operational noise and vibration. Next is the AODD pumps for ultra viscous fluids. This efficiently handles high viscosity liquids that also transfer gently and also minimizes the shear. This is ideal for very sensitive fluid materials. Lastly is the predictive maintenance or the IoT. So smart monitoring and IoT-based predictive maintenance systems track pump health in real time, allowing early detection of issues and minimizing downtime. So together, all these techniques create a more efficient, durable, and intelligent pumping system. Next is the identified research gaps and methodologies. So this study identified key areas that require further exploration. So number one, research gap one is the discharge throttling and predictive VGI control. So the methodology for this is to optimize how pumps regulate flow under dynamic conditions using AI-based control systems. So number two is the predictive VGI control. This tells that dynamic fluid conditions and provides AI-based solutions and real-time adaptability. Next is the AODD optimization for ultra-viscous fluids. This improves flow handling and minimizing shear in delicate materials. So generalizing ML models, the federated learning. So the challenge is that data silos and privacy. So the traditional ML struggles with distributive sensitive data, which is prone to leakage and distribution without content. The methodology for this is federated learning. This trains the model collaboratively across devices, preserving data privacy. So your data is very locked and maintained. Lastly, the system optimization or the co-simulation approach. So the challenge in this is that it is an independent system. So subsystem optimization often overlooks overall system efficiency. So our methodology for this is the co-simulation. This integrates thermal and fluid models for holistic analysis and optimization. Next is the social and technological entrepreneurship. From a broader perspective, optimizing PD pumps contributes to social, environmental, and economic development. So for efficiency and resource conservation, energy efficient designs promote resource conservation and lower carbon emissions. This aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals 7, 9, and 12, and also 13. So for industrial competitiveness and job security, uh, optimizing PD pump performance drives innovation and market leadership. This also creates demand for skilled technical roles as well as ensuring long term economic stability by providing more jobs to people. Next is the environmental and community safety. So this prevents pollution and hazardous spills and also safeguards local ecosystems and public health as well as to ensure regulatory compliance and corporate responsibility. Moreover, safer and more reliable pump systems reduce environmental risks such as leaks and spills, ensuring community and ecosystem protection. For our technological entrepreneurship and innovation potential, this study also highlights a strong innovation. So technological entrepreneurship and innovation potential. So this study also highlights strong innovation potential for smart pump systems that operates through AI and IoT that enables real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance via software as a service or SaaS model that reduces downtime and operational cost. Next is the adaptive cavitation suppression modules that can be retrofitted to existing systems to prevent wear and extend the service life of our pump design. Next is the high performance A, next is the high performance AOOD pumps. This optimizes for ultra viscous fluid and delivers enhanced reliability and efficiency. This also fosters local manufacturing capabilities. For TEG pump co-optimization frameworks, this combines energy generation with fluid transfer, turning waste heat into usable energy. Another one is the socio-economic and policy relevance. This drives the regional economic growth and job creation. This also supports green tech adoption and net zero goals, and also attracts talents, build innovation ecosystems. So these solutions can achieve up to 30% energy savings and support global net zero carbon goals, while also driving technological entrepreneurship in the green energy sector. So to conclude the presentation, addressing the core challenges, so we have the high viscosity fluid handling with paramount precision. Number two is optimizing energy consumption across pumping systems. And lastly is to mitigate flow pulsation and operational noise efficiently. So for our roadmap, cultivating future expertise, for engineers, it is suggested that to optimize pump system design for efficiency and reliability. For researchers, it is advised to further advance fluid dynamics and rheological modeling breakthroughs. For innovators, we have to develop AI-driven sustainable pumping solutions. Next is the critical industry impact. This ensures the precision and reliability in global fluid transfer powering diverse industry as well as powering diverse industrial processes worldwide. It is also indispensable for complex fluid challenges and innovation. So the global alignment is sustainable impact. As I have mentioned earlier, the SDG 7, which is it is affordable and clean. SDG 9, it is industry, innovation, and for infrastructure. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. SDG 13 is for climate action. So, in conclusion, optimizing PD pumps for viscous fluid applications ensures precision, reliability, and energy efficiency across industrial processes. By integrating AI, safety modeling, IoT monitoring, and advanced materials, these systems can overcome traditional challenges like cavitation, pulsation, and wear. So for further development, we should focus on AI-driven adaptive control systems, federated optimization models, and energy recovery integration to further improve sustainability. Ultimately, these innovations contribute not only to industrial performance but also to global environmental and economic resilience. So that's all, and thank you for listening.